KC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, 25 degrees right now in Lafayette. That's hard freeze category. Anything 25 below, that's usually what we consider a hard freeze. And we're going to be in the low to mid 20s most of the night tonight. We're not going to drop off too much more, and we'll show you why in just a little bit. Feels like 16 degrees. That's your wind chill. Look at the dew point at 7. Dry air. A wind dying down, though. That is the good news. So not feeling quite as nasty as it was this morning, where our wind chills were between 0 and 5 right around daybreak. Now your bullet points as we head over the next several days. Hard freezes next 2 to 3 nights. Frosty starts possible tomorrow morning. Likely Christmas morning with lighter winds, but I think we're going to see some frost tomorrow morning in areas that are protected by the wind, and then light winds tomorrow night. Clear skies. We're going to have frost probably developing by 10 p.m. this time tomorrow night. So good news for those who want a white Christmas. We'll have lots of frost come Christmas morning, and then as we get into next week, changes on the way. 70s will be back, and on top of that, it looks to be a little stormy going toward next weekend. So let's take a look at the big picture. We'll take a look at your almanac for today. 31 the high. Didn't even make freezing today, and that has only happened 35 times in over 47,000 days of record on record in Lafayette, going back to 1893. So unusual for us to get stay below freezing. 20 the low this morning, nowhere near the record of 9 set back in 1989. Some of you may remember that big freeze of 89. We had a big freeze in 1983, both December events, and those were the coldest outbreaks in the latter part of the 20th century, and kind of close to that, but not quite. But gotta love this. Billy Thibodeau sent this video in from the Gulf of Mexico, and this is showing us what we call Arctic sea smoke, which is kind of a misnomer. It's not smoke, it's not a sea, it's the Gulf, and it's not Arctic in the Arctic Circle, but it's Arctic in nature for the air, also known as steam fog, which I do expect to develop on the basin tonight and tomorrow night. Gotta watch that because that may accrete on the Basin Bridge. I think that would be most likely to occur tomorrow night, but we'll watch it for the overnight hours. And there are two videos here. This one I like because it shows the sea smoke. Notice the waves not too bad as the cold air moved in, but as the winds kept going, you see the bigger swells going here. This was a later video that Billy had sent me. So some pretty cool shots, and sometimes you can actually see some what we call devils here. Some water spouts can develop sometimes, or just what we call steam devils. So pretty cool stuff out in the Gulf of Mexico. Thank you, Billy Thibodeau. So we're involved with this big Arctic air mass of Siberian origin going back 8 to 10 days ago, and it's enthralling much of the U.S. And on top of that, you have the wind. The wind's dying down locally across the Gulf South, but still you have wind chills 20, 30 below all the way over to western New York, and near blizzard conditions continuing. The winds have been gusting over 60 miles an hour all day long in the Buffalo area. You see the pressure gradient. We have still blizzard warnings for this entire area, even though there's no snow falling from the sky. It's so windy, it's blowing all the snow on the ground, and visibilities are being reduced. It's bitterly cold, so rough conditions for our friends to the north. For us, not as bad. You see the pressure gradient still pretty tight, but loosening up a little bit, meaning the winds are beginning to die down. Plus, here comes that cloud deck we talked about on the earlier newscast, a high clouds, cirrus clouds moving across the area, and that's going to act like a little bit of a blanket, so radiational cooling will not be maximized tonight, but tomorrow night it will, and we'll see temperatures dropping just as cold, even though the coldest of air is here and will be beginning to erode starting tomorrow. Again, we have freeze warnings tonight, hard freeze warnings, wind chill advisory as well for wind chills as low as about 10, so it stays breezy and cold overnight tonight. That cloud deck moves out, sunshine tomorrow, and we see temperatures rising into the mid to upper 30s. So overnight tonight, upper teens, lower 20s for the northern parishes, lower 20s I-10 corridor, and the same down along the coast. So hard freeze across the board. Then for tomorrow, we'll see temperatures topping out in the mid to upper 30s, above freezing for a few hours. Not enough though, and still the threat of frozen pipes going into tomorrow night if you're susceptible to that as well. Wind chills by daybreak tomorrow, not much worse than they are right now, somewhere in the lower teens, and the winds dying down. And once the winds die down, especially tomorrow night, that's when we're going to see a big frost come Christmas morning. Probably some patchy frost for tomorrow morning. 22 the overnight low tonight. Those wind chills between 8 and 14 with the high cloud deck out there. And then for tomorrow, mostly sunny day. Temperatures getting up to about 38 to 39. Wind chills mostly teens and 20s, but much better than what it was today. And then as we head into tomorrow night, another hard freeze, but favorable winds for Santa and a heavy frost as we get into Christmas morning. So look for that early Christmas Day. And then as we move on, we see a warming trend going into next week. 40s for Christmas Day, 50s for Monday, and then 70s for mid to late next week. And with those 70s will come the rain chances as well. So a little bit of everything in that 10-day forecast, from frozen conditions to 70s and chance of storms.
Yes, that sounds great.
Yes.
Still to come on KATC, recommendations from the January 6th committee's final report when we return.